Done by DJ Steve Nice. Good morning, everybody. 6:05. It's DD in the morning with Lady J.
Lots of birds.
It's going to be sunny and hot today. High around 97. Man, this heat right now, I mean, really, isn't it 97? Feels like in about a week or two, we're going to be at 114 almost.
So why do you have to do that?
I'm going to tell you the sad thing. I don't know if you guys saw it already. A father's been arrested for
Okay,
losing a
the
6-month-old in a hot
all
car.
the way over here.
You know, every year you hear that and you're like, how in the heck does it happen? But he was at home, said, and they're investigating. But 33-year-old father arrested for leaving a 6-month in a hot car.
Yeah, I saw the interview that the neighbor
Also
did.
Brady
They
up
were having, like, basically reenact his steps using a Mickey Mouse doll or whatever to kind of trace and see. You know, of course, they're trying to see, was this on purpose? Was it not? You know.
Teen deaths
Okay.
related to parents or somebody leaving.
97 degrees out from 160.
Did you see they cooked the pizza? They cooked. Yeah.
Stop it. I'm still making my video.
I can only imagine. I had a friend who said it happened to, somebody that she knew.
Look at those houses passing by.
Can you imagine the guilt as a parent when you really realize this right here is what happened? And we talked about on the show how parents sometimes you get into a routine maybe and not pay attention. Let's say somebody said, hey, you take the child to daycare or whatever, and that may be out of their routine. They may not be the parent that normally does. And we either get on the phone talking or thinking about what we got to do when we get to work. And I can see where somebody's routine gets out of place. So,